Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we will be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, and of course if you are not joining me right now, definitely you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable, guys. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay, sorry. So guys, this is boom 1000, and of course this has actually been an uptrend starting from this support zone. Okay, from this support zone, if you should notice, it got there at this point and of course went back up and came back up, they came back down, and of course this actually formed a W. So it went up this time around and it broke out from this resistance zone, and of course it has got into this region. Okay, so guys, it is at this resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it keep on buying. If it does not, then it will go back on a downtrend, but you will have to wait for the necessary signals before you can go with the downtrend. But for now, it is still buying, even though it might not be for a very long time, in case it's unable to break out from the resistance zone. Okay, let's check out the next asset, which is going to be boom 500, still on 5-minute time frame, and I'm still using the 3M trend meal card trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, so let's see what is happening here. Okay, so for boom 500, it's been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, it got to this resistance zone. Okay, so it played around it for a while. Okay, it played around it for a while before going back up to break out above it at this point, and of course it has got into a new resistance zone. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back into a downtrend, but we will have to wait for the right signals before we can go fully into a downtrend. But for now, it is still buying, even though it might not be for a very long time also, in case it's unable to break out from the resistance zone. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out together. Okay guys, this is crash 1000, and of course this had been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, it sold for a while but got to this support zone, was unable to break out up, below it, so it started an uptrend. Right from there, started buying, and of course it bought till it got to this particular resistance zone. We can see it right here. Okay, so if it breaks out above this resistance zone, it will keep on buying, but if it does not, then definitely it will go back on a downtrend. So this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out from there. So we need to be careful. Okay, if we are still on the buy trend on that particular asset. Okay, and of course guys, next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out together. This is crash 500. As you can see, this is so beautiful. It's been more of an uptrend right from this support zone till this very resistance zone, but it came back up and it will be trying it out again. If it breaks out above it, to keep on buying. If it does not, then it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so we should take note of that. This is also buying at the moment. Okay, the last asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out together. Okay, okay guys, this is volatility 75. It was an uptrend before it got to this region, but wasn't able to break out above it. So it has been playing around here for a while, even though it's trying to go back on downtrend. However, it is finding it difficult to break out from this support zone. Once it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more, so we should watch out for that. We should expect more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity right from there. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel watch my training videos. Make sure you understand every part of the analysis or strategies shared in my videos, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.